start by coming up to the circle command, but this time I want to pull down on the little arrow right there. Pull down, ellipse by center point. Come down and lock to our front reference plane. Come to our front view. And the primary axis, I'll put in 55, tab, 36, tab, and I'll leave the angle at 0. So when I come over to the center and identify that, I actually want it to be vertical. So I'll just tip that around so it's vertical. Looks like an egg standing up there. Come over to the line command. I just want to draw a line up the center there and out to the side. It doesn't matter if it hangs over, because all I want to do is grab this region and grab the center ball and rotate it around the axis 360. Then I'll come up to the thin wall command, and I'd like a thin wall of 3 right there on that top face, and enter. So I'll come back to the front view here, come back to the line command. I'm going to lock again to that same reference plane. Now I'd like to come up to the center there and just drop down any distance. Just use your own creativity and pull it out, push it up. This is just a general concept. Just keep this relatively thin, and it doesn't matter if that hangs over, because again, all I'm looking for here is the region. Identify in the region, grab the blue ball, turns to orange, and now I'll revolve, and the extend type is on 360. So when I accept that, it should go around to 360. So there's my finished result. Turn off my sketches, turn off my axis, base, come up to view, change this to studio, part painter, let's try brass. Now if you'd like to modify this, maybe instead of this glass, you'd like to change it to an egg holder, you could come up back to home, select to clear everything, box pick, and simply move that up. You could move that right up inside. You want to go too far, the egg won't sit in there, but about right there. So now I've got an egg holder. A little hard to see with that shading on. And if I don't like that, I can just come back to the undo command